Talking too much at meals, burps and gas bombs. When you talk while chewing, your mouth opens more often and your breathing becomes irregular, causing you to swallow extra air along with your food. That swallowed air comes back up as burps when it rises from the stomach, or turns into gas when it moves down into the intestines. Stopping and talking repeatedly while eating means food is less thoroughly chewed, slowing digestion and increasing gas production from intestinal fermentation. The longer a meal lasts, the more air you swallow and the greater the digestive burden becomes, especially with carbonated drinks, soups, or pasta-based meals. Simply pausing conversation while chewing, eating slowly, and avoiding carbonated drinks or straws during meals can significantly reduce these symptoms. Learn your body's signals, subscribe to stay ahead.